Hello everyone! Nandito na naman si Manang yung Apple at ngayong umaga ako ay gagawa ng cassava cake, kaya stay put lang kayo dyan at panoorin ang aking video hanggang matapos para mayroon kayong matututunan. Hello everyone! This is your Manang Apple and for today's video, I'm going to show you how I cook cassava cake, and this is cooking vlog. So stay there and watch until the end. Thank you. These are the ingredients. I posted it and you can check in my description box. Thank you. First, you need to peel off the skin of the cassava. After you peel off, wash them thoroughly. And then, grate the cassava until done. So I'm gonna tell you now, this is the hardest thing to do, grating the cassava. You will spend 30 minutes doing this. After you grate the cassava, squeeze them gently. And then discharge the juice. Now it's time to mix the evaporated milk. Next is the white sugar. Next is the condensed milk, but you need to save 1/4 of it for the toppings later. Next is the coconut milk. You need to save also 1/4 of it for the toppings. Next is the 2 pieces eggs, but you need to scramble it first before you put. Put also the melted butter, as I forgot to put in the ingredients. Mix it well, and the oven must be preheated already and ready to put after you mix all the ingredients. Now grease the baking pan using the melted butter that you left in the bowl after you put in the cassava mix. Or you can use canola oil or vegetable oil for greasing the baking pan. Pour in the butter or the cassava mix ingredients until fill it up. Now the oven is ready. Put in the baking tray with butter and bake it for 45 minutes. I'm sorry if I haven't take a video while I'm mixing the toppings, but I'm gonna tell it to you now. Meanwhile, prepare the topping, combining the 1/4 can of condensed milk and 1/4 can coconut milk that you left and 1 egg yolk. Mix it and pour the toppings over the cassava cake and you spread it evenly. Then bake it for another 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
Now put the grated cheese and bake it again for 15 minutes as the cassava cake is so thick, so I need to cook it again for 15 minutes or until the color turns into light brown.
A few moments later.
So finally it's cooked. Let it cool for a moment and serve, share, and enjoy. But before I forgot, please do connect to my new member, Bing Citro Vlogs. Thank you so much. Tikman ko daw ang aking lutong cassava cake. Siyempre, may milk tea. Eto na, si Manang nyo Apple, titikman na ang kanyang lutong cassava cake. Tingnan ninyo, napakayami talaga. Diba? At napakalambot. Napakalambot. Siyempre, kung bago ka sa aking channel, you're welcome! At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, pindutin mo na yung subscribe button at huwag mong kalilimutan na pindutin yung notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga susunod kong video. syempre, kung nagustuhan mo naman ang aking video, bigyan mo naman ako ng isang like dyan, kapatid. Salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. I love you all. See you soon on my next vlog.